Momuya beji mweja padie nyina gu bolem. Minimum me ensama minimum no. Se meka se meka mu 10% mu nyina mu bedem. Omanhen Kwabena Asante ne yiri adwuma Maritime Authority. Na ne yiri na akomete a crime bi a ho. Eni senka Maritime Authority ko otena ho. I want Omanhen Kwabena Asante to dare me. And you know the funny thing? Omanhen Kwabena Asante ene ne yiri connive. I'm telling you to blackmail people. Osemeboa. Oyire ne semeboa. All these things. Shede eba no.
The NPP cannot be underestimated.
And I say me nti on say be empenifo nyoma. Ka first na bisana. Now look at this. Asenso Boakye. Why ni tisa bontua. Unim bontua. Asante for bontua ni bi. Ubeko eye edwaye na sikona ehon black bi ain. Na ede champion fake crash ho. Na ede supportia no. Ain eye edwaye sa na de sinchen. Niti ohwe le kon a se obatan kuraba. Handle. Asenso Boakye say on ne nkofo a press conference. Ede a press conference a. Or say Minorities Ashanti Regional Caucus. Mwana mu go to mfuenimase. Mwana mu go to mfuenimase no. Mo ne kotoko. Mo MPP MPs. Ene kotoko. Mwana mu go to mfuenimase. Asenso Boakye no kon se bad time bontia. O bad time bontia utumi so say e kire kese no de eso no na ebi obabiem but de ketwa ba no na ehwa black bi. Why no kon se bad time bontia? Mo Ashanti MPP caucus no mo ne Asante Kotoko football club mo na mo go to mfuenimase sankofo mienu we mo MPs na Jimmy ena Kotoko so asa mo na mo go to mfuenimase ene ntia na ana otumfo kura na ne buafu no ho sometimes
mo de Kotoko nkoa na egu menimase we wiase ma Kotoko mo de Kotoko nkoa na egu menimase we wiase ma mo de Kotoko nkoa na egu menimase we wiase ma Kotoko
Asante for MPs ene Asante Kotoko football club omo no mugu na nenimase omo sankofo mienu no Kotoko na asa Kotoko football club omo hwie the penalty bi no mbobbo ena omo MPs no omo parliament omo Jimmy hwade bi Asenso Boakye ne battalions ne ka. Almost say Minorities Ashanti Regional Caucus chastises government's decision to reduce Suame interchange from 4-tier to 2-tier. Describes move as deliberate attempt to sabotage development in the region. Sabotage development in the region. Mumia tia Asenso Boakye ene nanone kasa ene brofo. Me se mo hwe ne kon ene ni ti. I say oba time bentua.
Want to deal with why Kumasi deserve better. Kumasi, as you all know, is Ghana's second largest city, serves as a strategic national transit hub, transportation modal hub, continues to experience rapid growth in population and vehicle ownership. Shortchanging Kumasi on a project of this scale is technically indefensible, economically unwise, and politically unjust. In conclusion, we want to emphasize that the Suame interchange project was conceived as a long-term solution, not a short-term compromise. The Ashanti Caucus of Parliament therefore calls on government to restore the original 4-tier design of the Suame interchange project, reprioritize funding to complete the project as designed and planned, and engage transparently with Parliament and the people of Kumasi and Ashanti region in general on the way forward. Kumasi deserves infrastructure that reflects its national importance, not half solutions justified by selective constraints. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you for your attention. I want to deal with why Kumasi deserve better. Kumasi, as you all know, is Ghana's second largest city, serves as a strategic national transit hub, transportation modal hub, continues to experience rapid growth in population and vehicle ownership. Shortchanging Kumasi on a project of this scale is technically indefensible, economically unwise, and politically unjust. In conclusion, we want to emphasize that the Suame interchange project was conceived as a long-term solution, not a short-term compromise. The Ashanti Caucus of Parliament therefore calls on government to restore the original 4-tier design of the Suame interchange project, reprioritize funding to complete the project as designed and planned, and engage transparently with Parliament and the people of Kumasi and Ashanti region in general on the way forward. Kumasi deserves infrastructure that reflects its national importance, not half solutions justified by selective constraints. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you for your attention.
This is where my problem is. So I'm for any PZ for the kind of what you say. Mami jujume ni nyina ntia ho ase na nakora gina home na menkyerem. Eye Asenso Boakye a oye Kumasi mantem eye bantemafo eye MP anase somafo anase eye member of parliament Nana Dankwe Kufuado eye na abreso na oye minister of Edian eye housing. Eye Asenso Boakye ne nyonkofo mu ye Kumasifo so omuso eye MPs sebio abochenku ewo nkramemu na aseme domadu nyina na Asenso Boakye eyi brofo etutu brofo abasa echecheru nyina ne se wose eye Kumasi Suame ye kwan bi wo ho omate se eye NDC aban saa ekwan na omoye no sebio broni fre bibi 40 na se ekwan no enwan no ho enan enemu nan na ze ka ne fa soro ba kwa na be fa sector na be fa second na be fa third one na ekọ omo se omatete se eye Suame kwan na ye be ye na eye 40 kwan no omo asantefo MPs omo won kran encheye Afrifa akokura ntwemu na omo commission flower pot won kran Asenso Boakye obe commission flower pot Asenso Boakye onu gina nkran etwitwa akwan mu se we kwan we de munye ekwa we de munye sika ebeye we de nye sika ebeye wanya ebi a sika bi a otuni wie ba akomienu bi ekotwemu won nkran ma nkranfo boje no so no infie wotwe omotena Ghana so no Suame kwan no awmanye ende Okatakyie asantefo se omate se ekwan na eye NDC fo se omobeye na omobeye ni nyina no eye abronsan nan no se sia omate se NDC fo so omobete so na abronsan mienu nti omonte ase na okasemu no ose obi anim se Kumasi de Ghana de oba ene ni kuro a eso a edi akra echi omfere asanteni ba omfere o osabi na no ka se eye Kumasi no ene ni ekura eso a edi enkran echi watena ba mu fie wotwe na kan fie wotwe sabio enifrafo kwa na nka mo ye Suame na anke kufo na no suso nsuo ne Bawumia jimijimi we enti nka kwan we nka mo ntuma anya ma Suamefo na de eya asefem wa asem we mu nyina nse we nya kukuduro ka kire Kumasifo nse ekwan na ya anya no ekwan na mumu bi mokoto abate se nwan ekwan na mokwa abrefo a ekufo de bedi matam se momfam kwase anko manto ama MPP a emfa no ho no saa Suame kwan na ya anya no omo ka kire mo se NDC se omo beye na embom omo bete so aba eye 2 tier na omo se omo nyafo ni nyina amamo enti omo se mo mpre omo won kran wa hye corset ai no konso bodua na se obu asantefo so asantefo agimi udi mokodi nchini atena ban mu fie wotwe asantefo de hye ahema maamefo ne penifo enkwara kosalai eto aba ma MPP se nwan ade na mo pa ne se ye kwan e wo Suame na ka mbo nipa na mo ye dwuma Suame ne mfuturo nku nipa na obi wo becha odadema mfuturo nkoku akwara ne ye kwan keke saa nkwasiafo nyina tu betra nkan no mugu agya ntrafo to se immoa for infie wotwe 8 solid years. Saa kwaya ne konse benchia. When tumini MPP Asantefo say de twa obofuruma no, they could not construct a ye Suame interchange. Na de ya sefem ade ya wasemu emu ema etwa me nsu mu ne say Okatakyie Asantefo say NDC fo na so omagimi yentafo no. NDC fo na so omo ya nwonafo te se me maame no no. NDC na so omo de omo nim nyansa omo ye krobofo, ahantafo, omo ye domafo, ye bonofo. NDC fo na yemu omo no, omo de omo ba beye, na emmom omo se omo nya fo no na omo ye 2. Okatakyie Asantefo say ye ne MPP fo ye ntiase. Nanka osenka nkofu omo du asantime manka so omo de apia, munim apia, nanka so omo de sa omo. Nanka se asante emu ma ne mbrewa emu abeifo nanka se monyam apia nanka nkwasiafo se ba asante a nanka machi omo okejetia na mo de bentu ewura omo to na mo miegum omo agimi na Suame si wo e na omo kosi National Cathedral almost $100 million na mo asantefo san e na mo kwa asori e won National Cathedral e won kran Asantefo ahemfo san ene kwa asori e okuma nkran. Asantefo maamefo san ene ko Kumasi e ko nkran e ko National Cathedral sorry. Omutam $100 million omu di ni won kran. Sa $100 million no anke betime si eye konfonochi asa esi eye den Suame interchange. Nanso because omon feria de mu asantefo ebu momunitia ebu ohene kase animtia nti omoda homu nsam ye nkurasefo into otenkran or ya press conference obrofum sene be ya wa wote bantama wote Suame wote kwabre wona wote PZ na wodi matem no onim se wonte brofo nti obu so ye kurasini nti o se NDC fo be ya be ye na emo wo so mate o nsaso nti ye ntiase kwasie ewo me ene ewo yen they are 2 different things. Anything Asantefo book baby say belonging to me and belonging to us are 2 different statements. Akwara ne ma meti aware ase sa akwara no oye dihye mo ye nkwasiafo ma munni munyansa ye de tumi hye munsem mfie woche ose chemen se bonsu ko gina so ameka chem se ebini abro nsan ne esi amamo mo ye ntwamoa munni munyansa nanka se munim nyansa kura nanka ni se munya adwene bi kura mpo se mo be sa press conference we se mu bu asantefo ebu mahemfo ebu mahema ebu so mo so moni ate no mutumi kenkan adwene te se nipa ka mo nya sa press conference we ka mo ko gina nkran ye tam to me time na MPP wo power na asantefo MPs over 46 in our parliament e dey na mo de ye ajantra fo na mo gu o mo so won nkran moto dan kura monto no Kumasi na moto no won kran kasa akese na mudi egu nkran everise bebia munfru mahye no munwo mo so mo yetete kwaafo ye nkurasefo mo embu asanteman antumi amfa nyansa bia ambekyekyerman no na obi bedi so na nipa ne se saa interchange we ekwan kitinkiti bi da ho traffic a eko otumfo traffic a ema asanteman dwadie ekofom no enimanimu ya no ye betumi aye no 2 tier ana 3 tier na ama traffic na kofom na ye ekoye nimu a na ya ye 4 na eno wonti bi da NDC ankasa onyo NDC say enimanimu ya no asanteman ene omofa Suame ede kokodi dwaba no e wo say ye pekwan bi so na traffic ne so te na obi ahohenha no enti say the 5 years na ebesi 4 tier na aden na yemfa 2 years ana 1.5 years NC 3 tier na yenye kwan end that down na nipa hohenha no Asenso Boakye ne nkwase ntwapafo ejimifo adansan mu nipa ebeka kire se ye na yebetena aso mfie wotwe ye mu asanteman ye mpa asanteman ye buo mu nimtia ye ntiase enti nkamo ka we no na nka asanteman mebunu atom wagu krom se enu nti yebeto ama Bawumia enti nkamo ye press conference we no na nka asantefo mebunu asantefo mrewa asantefo de imbesiriwa enkokora ahimani ahemfo enti omungu dwom se John Mahama ne na aban na ba se eye Suame na MPP betena ho mfie wotwe infuturo ku nipa emu asanteman na ekufo ade na konwa betena eye de otek edi kwabrefo atem no saa Suame no ende yema eden Just say NPP for one santifo dodo se mo agimi. Near to Kroma and Asenso Boakye, John Mahama ne NDC forecast say omo be expressway no me dia fa santimemu. Asenso Boakye we an concept bentua obata bentua e ka say ompe mama omo fa nkwa santimemu osa de gu krata so koma president say president adenti na wo de ekwan ni fa me krom. The MPP is full of pigs. These are stupid people. These are very foolish people. So what here a road minister now? He made it clear, and this is what the road minister said. I say, Suame interchange reduced to 3-tier, not 2, due to Outer Ring Road initiative. I say, hey, nipa ewa Suame, ekwana ewa siye ye. Ewa se nipa hano. Ewa se omo di juma Suame, enwu se ekwano eye juma. Se yesi ebesi no eye 4-tier na ye hwe de ekona yebetuma ye kwan bi adeda ho ne aye 3-tier na Suame fofo ho ahiha omo animanim ya because eno ho sika na da ho a edie pa de bema MPP asantini ba odi moko di nchini a wagimi abeka se ye ntiase ye tam eye Ghana hye wonsa. We handed Ghana over to these piglets. Asantifo etwa adwajo asantifo de bia na omanu dem omo pa eye MPP chaw epa eye den obia chaw MPP mu se muntie eye den muntie eye ye kakra hospital a mobeto ye mumbie ekwan a mo ye munye mubu asantifo so mo ye nkurasefo adan omo ma no egire da omo sim aye jere into omo hu ntwa te senkrafo ma sana mo kacha asantifo ma mo bie wan ka chem so omo ye nkurasefo mo de yie no mo pe na mo de nkran na mo te na po aya Asenso Boakye oseche mensa bonsu mo asantifo a yeto abama mo se mo nkofa puntu omrefie no mfie wotwe mo de ekobo mo hwe mu wonkran ejimifo ma mo entumi amfa bibia mafie na de ope adepa akokotoko no wejimi a yetie no ha de ope adepa akokotoko no oyejimifo ba a yetie no de ope adepa akokotoko no ompe adepa ema ne ho a yetie no mu ye nwan intinka imebru nti omungurum engukrom ye demonstration ye ntiase the NDC will build Suame interchange. I am still the moment ntiase. I know sometimes no I don't blame you. I am kakra no I am blame nana it do sometime one ntiase ejimi fo ya omo no mo mampuntu mafio nana it do sometime nana e osa wo kasem wo nananom ne bia jimi nana me dow o chanchan hene ne me udo me ena me so me dow makumem nana edu sometime bia na wode una wano asim say hey sa jimi we no edumi fam punto mafie ye nyina ye to aba ma mfie wotwe ede na obetumi de won sei si so na won fere ade mu ade ubu asantefo se de omuntumi nkenkan ana mubu om so mo ye nkwasiafo ana enti ade e won kran na afefefe no ebi ba Kumasi enye mo betena so mfie wotwe na nka sebio different for na mo di contract no mo anka mo ntumi nsi Suame no. Then you have the dirty, filthy, disgusting audacity to sheepishly, stupidly, ignorantly come and express your damn idea that you don't agree. Such a Barbados and Bangladesh human diseases. I'm bro for Abba. Just say, Nkofo we ye Jimmy, MPP for Nimunyansa. Yatrani a dio matama. I don't just say personal. A nyomo mo ye, omuni ye ni Jimmy bino, and then I ye use words now sometimes, and you use it because these people are naturally foolish. They are naturally born stupid. Share press conference, the press conference now.
Want to deal with why Kumasi deserve better. Kumasi, as you all know, is Ghana's second largest city, serves as a strategic national transit hub, transportation modal hub, continues to experience rapid growth in population and vehicle ownership. Shortchanging Kumasi on a project of this scale is technically indefensible, economically unwise, and politically unjust. In conclusion, we want to emphasize that the Suame interchange project was conceived as a long-term solution, not a short-term compromise. The Ashanti Caucus of Parliament therefore calls on government to restore the original 4-tier design of the Suame interchange project, reprioritize funding to complete the project as designed and planned, and engage transparency.
Mami not to tell for more no wine. Mami be to form ho. O share video na mami be to tell your friend saying, mo share video. Mami be not to tell ho no not to tell. Just be my serious. I some to Okatakyie o Mozambique. Twa kwa na bodwe. I some to Okatakyie o Mozambique. Mami not to tell for more no wine. Some mami not to tell for more.
Want to deal with why Kumasi deserve better. Kumasi, as you all know, is Ghana's second largest city, serves as a strategic national transit hub,
strategic national hub, transportation modal. Just say go for we. Say be obi nyanum Kumasi. Mo to aba na aya mu we nipa na. Aya na mo to aba na mu we o mo hwa na. Nti ga say we de o ya santini na to aba ama no. Aya na mu we o mo nyansa kakra. Aya na sometimes mo beto aba din kabu say we nipa na we kukuo. Aya na sometimes yam fa santini to nje. Aya na mu we o mo ana. Aya mo pe scale fancy school park so na mo gina so ansa na to aba ama ho. Wo mo jimi. 8 years old. Na upper regional under Bawumia na omo minister MPs power parliament na Asante memu. Ba upper regional after 8 years omo eluzi pa in terms of infrastructure. Asante memu. Into aye den ende in kokuo we be press conference. Into what is the motive? End game ne saying Asante for beti no mubu ofu. Into mubu fu no ma de ma to ababa Bawumia. And I'm sorry I say asimesi nana say. Yes, and I say, or Bangladesh. Mezano be. And yes, and I say, or UN duties as electoral duties or Bangladesh or now say, what say Bibia? Mezano be. Say, no woman has sent rest take a cray, and yes, Sunni. Mesori, yes, and I say, or go Bangladesh. Now say, oh Bangladesh, how there? How we knew how to the new wake a cry. Me sorry ya, yes na say ko Bangladesh, yes ya there almost to about ono ko solve a problem. Who take onyo na nka form? Who ko solve Bangladesh for a problem? Omo de pia be wo to, udi mo mo tanko follow. Omo de pia, uni pia, omo de be wo to awo suntui. Mama Bangladesh na senda, mos na sen ko bra. Into when the time na say see play mu de ko Bangladesh. Play no team. No ojo so no ko. Play no team 2 minutes no Johnson no koba no bowa na at it is some kwa na matam baggage way omoja Kevin mu ade onu so banyini enyine benyini say go play nim can you give me coffee no Johnson no koba because enye de Johnson ye dem ni bia na say mo de na say ko Bangladesh o ko wada mo so Bangladesh wo na wona mbete mo kin na say no. Nana say. For my nana say, mame. No. Hey. Cha 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 cha. Hey. Mama. Hey. Yata. Yata. Yata biloko. Yata. Yata nagai. Yata. Mama. Hey. Cha 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 cha. Hey, mama, hey, yata, yata, yata biloko, yata, yata nagai. Hey, cha 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 cha. Hey, mama, hey, yata, yata, na say no we muna the nanka form I want the na say Bangladesh ko na say so hunu bon a omo de pia unim pia omo de pia wo tu yo no ma yi baranzu unim baranzu omo say de twa wachi omo yo no ma yesei na ma say wo suntu wo to so Bangladesh sa go follow omo say no mo she have show me fucking unma ko bisa Bangladesh ambassador sa mo have show na ayafiana omo de movie no that there shall know that there alomi omaya alomi da a triangle bi so alomi dindin bi oko Bangladesh fo krom ko ye ho me na say ade bi o me ye wo no Bangladesh fo wo de kone ko ye wo so ade wamuna na wo toto wonsa na ho no so wo de eyi no ko ye bodyguard na okutakuta mu no ko ya na say wo nko oh Mr. P, I can't move it oh Mr. P. Besides, I can't move it. Odi wakonya akwana kutokuto muno. Sao ekufu ade kwana ne bodyguard din ne. Na the bodyguard so bodyguard. Bodi enkwase asemo bedi ogana ha de. Na me just mona munye nipa. Na president bodyguard eye hene. Na ohene no ono bodyguard na ono ohene no ogade ekufu ado. Yasa asemo bodam mu, ayese munya mabodam. President ne bodyguard ne ohene. Na said the go for you. Munkwa na me hu say Ghana na ekufu ado ne Bawumia munkwa mu say president or bodyguard ne your hene and a bodyguard no what Suame and a Suame no so bodyguard and omo na ma say na say o hene no so president na etietia and a president no a bodyguard ne your hene and o hene no ono bodyguard no what Suame and ono no Suame no e bodyguard na omo saso am say na mo bodama na Kofi na nobody guy very Kofi set time am ne se wabroni ko Kumasi no set na nobody guy de no ya ne se Bamti ene ekufu ado ona twetwe mu an de ekosi Kumasi na se wabroni asem na e kan amante no se wabroni kan asem no o sei omodwa Kevin de mo abodam mo use ekufu ado record adam kokofo na kofo ado record papa bi ye be use ekufu ado record time ekufu ado di president no enkora na mo ba no ena omode se wabroni fo a president jet no de ko Kumasi omukọ eyiye eye na no moko no e na moko da otufo guest house e da na se de bia odin wom omoko da chancha hine na ekase na mensuro me fine me ya fa ho na mensuro me ya fa ho omoko da otufo guest house na de ma se wabro ni bufu ye ne se na ade asa omodi de awie ade de omodi abenkwan ne ade nti na sa ho bon kwan na hu nyina nyenyenyenyenyan nti se wabro ni de so girl ono wesi so no ho petre no ho den onyanya mre ena na oni nkofo di nkwana ikase the president go inside enti se wade onim signal se na nakwa also bi ko gene tata enti ade na nakwa ye no se wabro ni check kakra because no mo ye salary bi ama no on se waso de watena Canada kakra ono onidi ma nefu nhye odi kakra bi no de salary to ase na se a digest bibia enti na se wa twen e mo de eye de mayu kakra guso na wakafra ene sadi ansa we di salad na koda enti na di nkan enti sasa waso de onim se na de ne coconut oil no esi ntokura no de friend ntokura na krokro dem no krok I say otumfo guest house no ntokura no enye slide ni bi krokro enu katum odinka ma no loku se no akatum kra no ara kokro wadon kokro ai ye friend krokro enu bi na obekọ light no black one bi tata ka na edum aha no nti krokro de dem nti na ka otumfo guest wa kan ntokura tum ena ode krokro na tum no ode krokro na to form nti aloko no eno e kire hwe inside so hu abonten obi hwe fira abonten ohun inside nti obi o black and white TV obo se light so ba ohun TV no ena ye friend windows no aha ye friend intokura ena ja mi amaja tu mabodam ade no me first na me dwen se me board about friend me ma confirm am abodam adwen ma adwen si bia a process jomalo ma hwe ye pa wa ye betia na ma draw movie obtirimo enti restore na me dem no ena nana Kofi de nana koye Kofi ne bodyguard o hene no ai sa na friend Kofi no no se friend Kofi enti Kofi I want to go no you say yeah nana satan wa bo nana na si form Kofi I want to go any time no deche sometime we 2 for guest house room 32 the rooms in the doors room 18, room 60. And to also say room 1, 2, 3, and yes, Utuisha room 1, opposite room 1 or room 18. Say O2 for guest study at to appetit. Said the bear want to win tracky. And ya day a day, Kofi Eddie Ujaf. I'm here about a crank or to the tumpanoso. It is a word or just salad. Now I be coconut oil no, nanko da kochi a copy pinis kakra. And it's a what check a crab 10 minutes. Say what by ya? A year bumpty. While road woman kind of white chapel or dampaso and was stretchy bumpty. And a year lele now say social white a white chapel or no so ebiam panaso adaya. Kofi butu almost na auto chumo. Now bet Kofi o into the macho not auto china nekufuado. It is a what be a prono. Tawaso on set what tabro chida anti umbia proba had ubian. It will be an Kofi butuzo. I in some you or yet double massage. Happy ending. Kofi de coconut oil say what to free Canada. Ma and ma. Well, you swear malaka tot. That's what the good is some bobo to much ta. No or massage bumpty the hana a yet. Now say that left. Into a hot now bedroom. Bumpty caso, sorry, madam, bumpty dear, or taming to my fire, fum, or room 33. And a car say one and anna, now say. And when a coffee problem in our buy, because not say one him say, Yakicho dear, almost dear, and dear, still not as a Nana machine to me, sorry, we got. And I did a 2 minute punch, Alaji.
Hey!
All right, there's one story I want to show you. About 6:44. We have done 3 hours. Hey, 3.5 hours. Hey, Kevin. Akwame Pekasa. My story bu ha man fa binjira. Hey, Kevin so me kasa. Now story way a very, very important story. Yes, our story way. Obi ehu sibia eye ade wetie enya wo fe. Enti wankasa de John Mahama beye in 1 year. Uye koko farmer na John Mahama kasa obetua wo ka. Ade ntina na uye mhihye John Mahama. We cocoa for John Mahakas bit Tiauka, Nabotre. I don't know also you show. One more fertilizer free, one more spraying free, one more a insecticide free. We're making sure that John Mahama said Nabotre. We a quite clear idea sober from Krawaye, na kukuska. A quiet idea so excavators. King, yeah, pipe war, blaster war. John Mahama the 1 year will gusso. Na kukuska na John Mahama to me to a share. It did be a catch of Munyabo now. Asembia and me best me di hun komo kakra. Oh, sa story we. Abrante o your friend Kofi Tonto or your disappointed bogger. Chesi an ne ma e America muti basement. Now oye Juma e US embassy and the Kufuado. No Jin so baga no me minister am so kwase ato. Now oye Jesus kana we. And obeda communicator. Enti me small girl bi Ghana last na me akora na phone so abe say Osi Kofi frame or sreska abuofunu ne wo chire no or stress mo get this car boga mesuna me operating machine no ai everything that open mouth come nkremonian kama wudu kama wari du abuofunu na me ne akora no phone sa de na ekoso na me akora me tutu ba he say wo na he wo na me he oso ye koi say light down so what now saying see, I will be ye frame, and I'm saying, Coviton to us in the Pesca, we are quite Coviton to Akasa, we Jimmy for communicator. Or say, a very, very foolish guy, aimless. Only BBA on Abra, there's no issue on accounts. Only Juma Beno, Mumusan said Juma Beno. Only Juma is also a communicator into a court piece and a man 200 guy. Only Ska Ankasada Ho. Sika da also will be an account, Sika dim double number 6 figures, only be, only Ska. Only Juma Bia. Obey communicator for 40 years. Sometimes no. Enti oni na yire kra eja no oni foresight bia obibie ni ho a bleak. Bronika se bibi a bleak a esum ketu. The life is see. Enkwasi akeka. Now obeka asemi or say in Sawam Ofanko Road project was 70% complete. It was not abandoned. We munomwe Jimmy. Or see Nana the dan kweku for the Ofanko Road na 70% done. Hey. Now boys way I know monum lagatin ne Johnson and some betna TV so no pa na say e duabo bi no obi abo mo. And psychologically omanga say no upside down. What is it? Yeti kroma yehu se ne Ofanko etie and sena John Mahama mobile power. This is Ofanko before John Mahama took office. This is Ofanko.
Guys, this is the Pokwase to Nsawam Road, and this video was recorded this morning between the hours of 7 and 8:30, 2nd August 2025, and I did not see any contractor on the road. Between the hours that I drove from Pokwase all the way to Nsawam, I did not see contractor on the road. I did not see any workers on the road, and I am stating the time and date because, well, I could be wrong. It is Saturday. Maybe there could be contractors working, but because today is Saturday, they've gone to their families, they've gone to funerals or weddings. But I want to state and put it on record that from when I started to when I exited this stretch, I did not see any contractor on the road. And let's be honest, this whole project is beginning to feel like work is not going on this stretch. And I want to call on, Ghana Highways Authority, Ministry of Roads and Transport, Department of Urban Roads. I know this falls under Ghana Highways Authority. This road is beginning to feel like there is nothing happening. We want to understand, we want to agree with government that yes, these things take time, we need to exercise patience, but it's beginning to feel our patience is being taken for granted. Nothing seems to be happening. You don't see progress. If you drive, you went there this week, the following 2-3 weeks, you drive on it and you see some massive progress, you begin to feel, even though it is delaying, work is being done. But when it comes to the Pokwase to Nsawam Road, correct me if I'm wrong, it feels like there's nothing really happening. The way you saw it last week is going to be the way you will see it this week and the way you will see it next week. And we keep talking and talking and talking, and it's like, but honestly speaking, progress has stalled. It has delayed. I don't know if it's coming from government. I don't know if it's the contractors who are not doing the work. I don't know what the problem is, but whatever it is not looking good. It is not looking good. The people who live on the stretch from Pokwase all the way to Nsawam have had enough of the mayhem this road is causing them. They've had enough of it. People want to talk. They just don't know who to talk to or who to express their grievances to. But from all indications, it's like, nothing really is happening. What is the problem? Why is this project taking so long a time? What really is the problem? And from what is left, if I'm not mistaken, it could take a year or 2 or even 3 before finality is brought to this project, which is too much for the people to bear. In fact, it is too much for me. It is too much for whoever uses this road. The truck drivers have devised a way to keep their cars balanced. And I saw it this morning. I was amazed. They have an advanced team of 2 or 3 people who will get down from the car and walk barefooted in the, I'll call it fish pond, advisedly, and walk in the pond to know where the potholes are deeper so that they will direct the car on where to use and where not to use. And this is 2 guys. You will see it this week and the way you will see it next week. And we keep talking and talking and talking, and it's like, but honestly speaking, progress has stalled. It has delayed. I don't know if it's coming from government. I don't know if it's the contractors who are not doing the work. I don't know what the problem is, but whatever it is not looking good. It is not looking good. The people who live on the stretch from Pokwase all the way to Nsawam have had enough of the mayhem this road is causing them. You know, they've had enough of it. People want to talk. They just don't know who to talk to or who to express their grievances to. But from all indications, it's like, you know, nothing really is happening. What is the problem? Why is this project taking so long a time? What really is the problem? And from what is left, if I'm not mistaken, it could take a year or two or even 3 before finality is brought to this project, which is too much for the people to bear. In fact, it is too much for me. It is too much for whoever uses this road. You know, the truck drivers have devised a way to keep their cars balanced, and I saw it this morning. I was amazed. They have an advanced team of 2 or 3 people who will get down from the car and walk barefooted in the, I'll call it fish pond, you know, advisedly, and walk in the pond to know where the potholes are deeper, so that they will direct the car on where to use and where not to use. And this is too, guys, this is the Boakye to Nsawam road, and this video was recorded this morning between the hours of 7 and 8:30, 2nd August 2025, and I did not see any contractor on the road. Between the hours that I drove from Boakye all the way to Nsawam, I did not see contractor on the road. I did not see any workers on the road. And
so you see, let me show you one thing. Look at this.
Ebusia yenka Boakye amasamai to Median Sound Road. Abain pebi from. This is very disgusting. I spent almost 4 hours on my way coming to Medina, all because of this bad road. Ebusia, one share video, you know, be a video be kobiara. O man penny fan na nsi from mom share my kwan ye my. Na ye bre kase say kase nko kasa kese nko ana jikwan ya boso. Enye ye bre pa me pamacho. And almost 4 hours near the suti kemu na continue komba. Mesiro abahe bibi fan wadaroma. Pacho pa. Ebusia yenka Boakye amasamai to Median Sound Road. Abain pebi from. This is very disgusting. I spent almost 4 hours on my way coming to Medina, all because of this bad road. Ebusia, one share video, you know, be a video be kobiara. O man penny fan na nsi from mom share my kwan ye my. Na ye bre kase say kase nko kasa kese nko ana jikwan ya boso. Enye ye bre pa me pamacho. And almost 4 hours near the suti kemu na continue komba. Mesiro abahe bibi fan wada.
Ometina TV so a kekan kwasi asem. These are the things they do. Onwe kwan muja o. Because he has to come and speak before he can eat. Wa me twatra ondidi ejuma be no ye. A disgusting human being. You doing for mo chichire man. Oma isa aboso ahwe nim. Omon kan kure. The facts are there, the evidence is clear. How can you sit on TV and say, oh, but I know Ekwan is 70% done? Ekwan na nkofo nam wo eye videos no, na 70% done. And these people, when you insult them, yes, we didn't part them. Now we are the substitute a kokua. Only kokonya substitution na kokua ni mumba no ye yi onu free ma e de bone na yaye. There should be some sabi on na nka ono kokua bem na nka onu free mu. Na nkofo egugum. Then these people are just wasting time lying to Ghanaians. The same thing that Miracle Agyapong disappointed DCE. MCA ya pamono kromfo akodi DCE kufu so oye winti yinedi. Sa kromfo ya kojina kokoo fo se Jimmy D. Miracle Agyapong. Okoye DCE ni okowie sika de kufu ado pamono. Na kromfo akojina kokoo ase se Jimmy D. Se kotra na aniegu ne ni ase o se die yo kwasiafo bonyan nam Ghana e disturb nipa. Enti muje sa Jimmy sem we na akoto Bawumia. Ah? Mo ka san kwasesem we ya. Mudi san kwasesem we na ye Jimmy nti yeso na akoto enti we nti na akoto Bawumia no. Enti yeso na no pa na we nti yakoto Bawumia. We nti de mo kari na ye njan na akoto Bawumia. Hwe ekwan na Jomahama na me bo ho video. This is ekwan na Jomahama enie. This is the road now. Look at it. Na minjai we na me kofa kaya motium. Sheldon Jomahama in 1 year. In 1 year. In 1 year. Sheldon Jomahama ye. Nanka Jomahama di Ghana also 30 years, 40 years. Nanka maybe anke wo. Now Kofi Tonto Odwan. An opportunity when can where you Pepsodent to be a say last year now. Alternatives can quite 70% done. Now you see a Jimiana. Your technology system move. Assembly will can be a bema answer. And Yania Matanaka Embo is still cancer more. So kind of journalism the chum. So journalism now uninjina swap. Now can some and then you we need the facts. Produce the facts. Bring your evidence. Show it to the people. Let the people go and read it and make their own assessment. That is journalism. Now, 1992, Nyomana in some kikan, it doesn't work again. Ghana for your queen too much. Ghana for your macho too much. Sa 1992, Yaka Sama to Obiso and Yejuma. Right now, it's about showing the evidence, the facts, explaining it, and being bold to defend it. That is called journalism. You are supposed to be confident in providing your facts, backing your facts. But if you cannot do that, then we cannot help you. And we are not going to help anybody because Ghana for here say that is the job we are here to do. We are not going to waste our time on unnecessary things. Our job here is to educate and to make sure Ghana for no ateno. That is my basic job. That is why I am here. Intimisramo, so person ye juma we bi na say we are Ghana na so person ye here. Let's use the facts to work. But some count enko baby a ejijim e baby ugina na, you need evidence. You need the facts. 1992 na sa ade ejuma enye ejuma biem. So let's change our style. We are journalists, we are communicator, we are one. Make sure say nipa na omo kasa omo nyansa omo nyanwan. Respect their intelligence. Asma me ka kire nkofoi, manfa ngina so ama, ebede na omo hu se mi bu omo. First ask yourself those questions before you come on TV as a communicator, as a journalist, as a panel, whatever. Ask yourself those basic questions before you speak on issues. You should know the kind of people listening to you. Respect your viewer, respect your listener. That is the only way you can get things right. The moment you disrespect their intelligence, you become a liar. They see you as just a joke. Convey the message in the right way. Speak the truth. Use the facts. Just do that. Neko heaven. Oh, ready. Hey, Agyapong. Just do that. Just use the fact, the truth. Neko heaven, keke. Still, more forces some meko bunsam jim. Can no krani keke, Kevin. Enye, Kwame, enye, no krani nye, jipipa we, mon kain, mon follow, no. Me betana na me kana me se, mon jipipa we, sa ne tie, na meko heaven. Na more force some who ko bunsam jim. Mon kame hon. Ne ye nyina yanko heaven. Eno so amonye. Eyade kiti bi for pepa, for krata, for no kre, catch the Ghana for neko heaven. It is simple. San yedi nyade ko heaven. Modi eke bibia monte. Ya bese ko bunsam jem. Chenchine ya be ko bunsam jem. Ya be twatro. Mon kan no kre keke. Etu ensi wuso. Ya ma we duro se numuwu. Kan no kre no keke. For krata fa ngina sobra. Neko heaven keke. Nyankopon ma wo any difficult task bia wo. Anamon pe heaven. Heaven is a nice place. Tetina no mo say eye Deuteronomy, eye Leviticus, and Nyankopon be charge Nyankopon so we jai. O se kan no kre keke. Neko heaven. Emu ebie. Embo mu ofo wiase nyina wo ho. O se sa 10 commandments nya wo twam. O se de kan no kre keke. Oba Facebook kan no kre, oko YouTube kan no kre, oba TV so. Eno ane nyangina so. Obi said my ex is working at GRA. Nanka mbeseme ka asem we, mamenka bi nchira won. Do you people know say Omanhen Kobna Sante? Do you people know say Omanhen Kobna Sante? Ne yire eye djuma wo Maritime Authority. Yeah. And the MPP dey no kwahye ho. The position na dey ama no krampo no, she does not deserve to be at that position. Omanhen Kobna Sante. Ghana Maritime Authority. Ehona na yiri edwuma. Do you know? And do you know what Omanhen Kobna Sante ede na yiri eye wo Maritime Authority? But na yiri ID baba, me ba kire mo. She was jammed, Na yiri no. Opa ochira no pon betena reduce nka se meboa. Na yiri no. Ye de ne ba Maritime Authority. Position awo no, ye jump no be 4 times. She does not deserve where she is now. Omanhen Kobna Sante and the MPP and Otam ne yire e de ne kwatena Maritime Authority. Obra ochina obon be kan se meboa. Eni ntina otwi sa ka na otwi Lexus no ne yire e na under MPP gapo ha obutwi femu. Kobna Sante. Momu ye beji mu Agyapade nyina gu bolem. Me minimum me ensama minimum no. Se meka se meka mu 10% mu nyina mu bedem. Omanhen Kobna Sante ne yire adwuma Maritime Authority. Na ne yire na commit a crime bi a ho. Edi senka Maritime Authority no otena ho. I want Omanhen Kobna Sante to dare me. And you know the funny thing? Omanhen Kobna Sante and ne yire connive. I'm telling you to blackmail people. Oseme boa. O yire ne se me boa. Both fruit, Omanhen Kobna Sante no tia sempa no. Da be na mote so aka Maritime Authority for asem. Ne yire ho na yire adwuma. And the kufu na yire ko ho. Yeah. Do you know what is happening in Ghana? Omo musa munyina mwajimi. Me say Omanhen Kobna Sante one ne yire. They connived to blackmail somebody. Omo wie no me kase me kan Omanhen so a story one ne yire no cookie story. Story no omo ya story ni wi a Omanhen Kobna Sante nka. Na story no omo de akoma blogger. Na blogger ne de akoma a newspaper na publish. Na Omanhen Sante atena sempa discuss it. Yeah. Ne yiri ye adwuma o Maritime Authority. Mesemu ya magim ho Agyapade nyina de gu bolem. Mo sa ngora mti radio so ne Paul Adomo cha nkwasafo no. Magim ho Agyapade nyina meboaboa no me begu bolem. Ne metwagya atum. Because mo nyina mo nka no kore. Mo nyina mo ya azafo. Asema munya abutre o be se keti asema nya abutre me say ochira mumusa na yiri adwuma wen de e qualification na yiri de call Maritime Authority mumusa no Kobna Sante na yiri adwuma wen me say o adwuma Maritime Authority Ghana Maritime Authority mumusa say qualification be na yiri de call and the MPP why na di na yiri anim amekofa na yiri adwuma ye jump na yiri to that position mumusa no. These are corrupt people. Ya bebe ya mono hu. Me nan se me nyini nti on se be mpenifo nyoma ka first na bisana.
The MPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Wusu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edubwahen, Alajete, J.A. Kufuor, those men of value, those men of integrity, are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words,